What if I told you there are places on Earth where gravity just does not act like it should? Imagine cars driving up hills on their own, or water flowing up instead of down. Sound is unbelievable, right? Stick around, because today we are exploring 5 places where gravity seems to break all the rules. Welcome to Exploring Our World. Hey everyone, today we are visiting places where gravity just does not work the way we think it should. It's not magic. It's all about how the land, wind, and even the shape of the Earth can trick our eyes. Ready to see these mind-blowing spots? Let's start it. Number 5, Magnetic Hill, Ladakh, India. First up, we have Magnetic Hill in Ladakh, India. Here cars seems to roll uphill on their own when in neutral. But don't worry, it's not some strange force. It's just an optical illusion caused by the way the land around you is shaped. It tricks your eyes into thinking you're going uphill when you're actually on flat ground. Imagine sitting in your car thinking you're going uphill, but it's all just your brain being fooled by the land. Pretty crazy, right? Number 4, Gravity Hill, Armenia. Next, we are in Armenia at Gravity Hill. Much like magnetic hill, cars and even water seems to move uphill on their own. It's another optical illusion. The way the land is laid out makes it look like it's going in the wrong direction. It's like nature's tricks on your senses. Cars roll and you are left wondering if gravity gone mad. Number 3, Hoover Dam, Nevada, USA. Coming at number 3 is Hoover Dam in Nevada, USA. Here, water looks like it's defying gravity and flowing upward. But actually, the water is being pushed by strong winds, currents created by the shape of the dam. It's still all about the wind, not gravity. Number 2, Rua do Amendoim, Peanut Street, Brazil. In Brazil, there's a street called Rua do Amendoim, or Peanut Street, where people feels like they are walking uphill, even though they are actually going downhill. It's as another optical illusion caused by the way of the street is laid out. Your brain gets tricked, making it feel like gravity is pulling in the wrong direction. Number 1, Naneghat Reverse Waterfall in and at number 1, we have the Naneghat Reverse Waterfall in India. Here, strong winds push water up, making it look like the waterfall is flowing in the opposite direction. It's an amazing natural phenomenon where wind and water combines to create this stunning illusion. Imagine standing there watching water appears to flow upward. It's one of nature's coolest tricks. So which place would you love to visit? Or maybe you have already been to one of these gravity-defying spots. Let me know in the comments below. I had loved to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on new adventures with Exploring Our World. And remember, stay curious. Thanks for watching. See you on next adventure.